For the purpose of this demonstration, we are going to add a completed library to our design. Right-click on Library, select the Capture Tutorial 2.olb from the downloaded files. Right-click on the original library and select Cut. All of the custom parts are now visible in the library. In the schematic, let's place the title block. Go to Options, Design Template, Title Block. Set the path to the Capture Tutorial 2 library and click OK. Select Place Title Block from the menu. Click Add Library and add the Capture Tutorial 2 library. Select the available title block and click OK. Click to place in the schematic. Right-click and select End Mode or use Escape on the keyboard when finished. All the title block information is automatically populated. Next, let's place the parts. Select Place Part button on the toolbar, place Part from the menu, or use the key P on the keyboard. The only library currently added to the design is the provided Capture Tutorial 2 library. Place the parts from this library. Click the Place Part icon or double-click on the part. To place your part, click on the schematic page. When finished, right-click and choose End Mode or use Escape on the keyboard. To rotate a part during placement, use R on the keyboard or right-click and rotate. This can be accomplished using the same method once the part is placed. Next, search for a part. Click the plus sign and expand Search for Part. Search for Cap. Set the path to the default capture libraries and select Search Part. A capacitor was found in the discrete library. Select the library and click Add. This has added the library, and the library can now be searched in the Parts window. Placing the capacitors in my design, the reference designators are automatically annotated. Right-click in End Mode. If you do not want the parts automatically annotated, select Options Preferences from the menu and choose the Miscellaneous tab. Deselect Auto Reference and click OK. Any parts with question marks in the part reference can be annotated at the end of the design. Next, search for a resistor. Find the desired part and place it in the schematic. Search for an LED. Place the part in the schematic. Let's place the ground symbols next. Select Place Ground from the menu. Select the ground symbol and place it on the schematic. Use Escape on the keyboard or End Mode when finished. Complete the same process for power. Select Place Power from the menu. In the CapSim library, select VCC Power symbol and place it on the schematic. Use Escape on the keyboard or End Mode when finished. To add multiple libraries, click the Add Library button. Select all the default libraries provided with Capture. This will allow you to search all of the libraries in the Place Part window. If you decide you don't want these libraries, just highlight and delete. New in version 17.4 is the ability to search millions of parts and 3D models directly within Capture. Select Place Search Providers from the menu. This will activate the unified search, which allows you to search the included providers, UltraLibrarian and Semaxis. Enter your credentials for Cadence and UltraLibrarian. Search for the part you would like to use. The unified search shows you the manufacturer and distributor information, as well as the availability of the symbol, footprint, and 3D model. This seamless integration makes it easy to search, review, and use complete verified components in your design. A part can only be placed in a design when both the symbol and footprint are available. By selecting a part, additional information is displayed, including a preview of the symbol and footprint. Right-click and select Place Part. The schematic symbol, PCB footprint, and 3D model are downloaded and automatically added to the library. Click to place the part in the schematic. Right-click and select End Mode or use Escape on the keyboard. Once the part is placed, it can be edited as needed. Right-click and select Edit Part. Easily move pins to the desired configuration. Save and close the part. The schematic is updated accordingly. Part placement has been completed for this schematic. Join us in the next video where we will discuss wiring, buses, and no connects.